So I just received the OEDRO 7-inch round headlight kit from Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing and installation video just so you can see just how easy it is to get these installed and upgrade your factory lights. I'm working with a 2003 Jeep TJ Rubicon. Unfortunately, I'm not able to use the 4-inch lights. I'm going to try to figure out a way to do that in the future. But for now, we're going to go ahead and replace these 7-inch lights. The package is very heavy. Before even opening it, it seems like this is a well-built product. There are die-cast aluminum housings for each light so that they dissipate the heat. They've got a film protectant on the lenses, and as you can see, there are projectors for each the high and the low, and then you've got your turn signals on the side. As we pull these out, you can see the heavy heat sinks to dissipate the heat efficiently, and you've got the quick connect plugs already on there, so there's no hard wiring necessary. They have LED CAN bus anti-flicker adapters to prevent you from having any flickering issues that may be associated with LEDs when switching from incandescence. And I'm going to go ahead and show you now how to do the install. Okay, so one thing to note is there is a top and a bottom, and you can tell that by the wording here. And on the top you'll see the brand label. Okay, so what we're going to want to do here in order to replace these lights is, if you have this grill on the front of your lights, you have to take out, there's 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, pull those out. The next thing we're going to want is to remove this screw, and this screw. This is going to allow us to pull out the entire light assembly, and then behind that are going to be screws that hold the light assembly in behind the bezel. With the bezel and retaining ring removed, you can clearly see that there are fasteners, 3 of them holding the light assembly in. You're going to need a typical star drive to remove that, and the entire assembly will pull out by itself. With the retaining ring removed, all we have to do is grab the bulb and pull out the entire assembly. Now make sure that you disconnect this wire. You're going to do that by either reaching inside and pulling it from here, or lifting the hood and disconnecting before you pull the bulb out. I would recommend disconnecting it afterwards so that you don't actually drop the bulb on the ground when you get that last screw from the retaining ring out. One thing to note is that if you have a newer style Jeep, you will have to use these adapters, and luckily they are included. If you have the TJ like I do, all you need is the LED CAN bus adapter that is also included. Now that everything's connected, I'm going to go ahead and test it before completing the installation, just in case there's any trouble. So lights are on, they seem like they're functioning properly. I'm going to go ahead and test high beams. So far, they already seem dramatically brighter than the old incandescent lights. My camera can't even focus on them without blowing out, they're so bright. High beams on, we've got all 4 LEDs. All we have to do now is install the retaining ring, the chrome bezel, and the grill on the front if you have that option on your vehicle. One thing that I'm going to choose to do is go ahead and take all this cable and install it in this cavity down here so that I don't have to have it in the engine compartment. I'll use cable ties to secure it. There's a lot of places